नहीं है यार, मैं बैड सिंधी हूँ, मैं एक गुड सिंधी के साथ बात करती हूँ, जो कर लेगा जो करना है।
पैसा भी देना जिसे वो पड़ेगी।
हाँ।
थैंक यू,
Thank you.
व्हाट एन ऑनर, सच्ची में थैंक यू।
सेवरदार सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी दरबार कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी दरबार कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर।
It'll be great. We're also throwing open the Q&A to you guys. I want Sapna as soon as she can be released from people's hugs and kisses, up here. All right, please hand her a mic, sir. Of course, the special thing about this screening is that most people that you've seen in the film, they're actually sitting behind. So I would like my audience to turn around and give them an applause because... Sapna, I'm not going to even lead you on with the question. I'm just going to say first, please take the love and the applause that you deserve for telling us this story. A big hand. And thank you so much for telling such a great story. Let me quickly ask you what inspired you to tell the story.
I think one day you wake up and you just ask yourself that question, where am I from? And that's exactly what happened to me. Being born here in Bombay and not really understanding what Sindhi is, I have no idea. But I do today. I mean, not everyone can make a film. But if you can, it's a wonderful history lesson that no textbook will ever teach you. That experience will last with you forever. But I am really nothing without my stories, and they're all here. It's 8 years going on this journey, and what I also have are these wonderful legs. Woo! And it's like getting, I'm like a new lease on life. I am walking with a new set of legs. Who else can brag of that? Yeah.
What I really also liked is the fact that, of course, this is a story that we've heard multiple times. There's an increased interest in the story of this migration. There's been a partition museum, if you guys heard a couple of years ago. It's also your own story, and the imagery is really powerful. I'm sure people who have been sitting and watching it at some points have questions like, that cave that you walk into, for example, or the fish, for example. There's a couple of answers that we get because the fish, for example, you said Jhulelal used to ride on the fish. But tell me about that cave imagery because it's really stayed with me.
That cave is actually a secret cave, so I can't tell you where that is. But it was my way of saying as cavemen when we came, and that's just how we were. And it's not saying that we can go back to that because that's just being like a stupid dreamer, which I also am.
Sure.
But the point is being, in all of this, I started this journey, and I just want to say this. I had so much angst. I had so much anger. And I was just like, but why can't we go there? And what is this rubbish? And when I started it, I was like this angry woman. And I started interviewing people. I talked to my friend Saz, who's sitting there, who's starting this journey like me. She was asking questions. I talked to, Rupani. I talked to Sundar, Anila. They're all here. And the thing is, they lost everything. But they were not angry. And I just kind of understood that I have not lost anything. I have actually not witnessed anything. So my anger is kind of rubbish and baseless. And I understand that the basis of this is social media because it just fuels so much hatred, and you have to go beyond that. You actually have to reach out on the other side of the border and actually find out that there is just no hatred. So your anger is rubbish. It's really rubbish. So that's the biggest lesson I have learned.
You
Yeah.
know, I know for a fact that, while you were making this film, you made several attempts to go, back to Sindh, and you weren't allowed to go back to Sindh.
Yeah.
You wrote them this beautiful letter as well, explaining why. There was an intent behind
I lied.
the visit.
I didn't tell them I want to come make a film
Make
myself.
film,
I
yes.
just
But
want
you
to
will go
come.
and check out,
पर
where you
ऐसी
came from.
औरत को मुझे लगता है वो लोग डर गए थोड़े बोला ये यहाँ के हमारी औरतों को खराब कर देगी कि उसको हम इंडिया में ही रखते हैं तो वहाँ ही रखो. That was the first time. I think that's what happened. The second time around, I started a conversation. I was trending in Sindh for 3 days, but then Kashmir happened. So again, I'm here. So my journey is not complete till I get there.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it will happen. ये मुझे मालूम है और ये भी मुझे मालूम है कि ये फिल्म ना मैंने I have not made this film to win awards or for me to be one director साहब or nothing of that was not the point. It's a movement. If you go home and Google Sindh, my job is done. That's all just तुम अपनी सिंध खुद ढूंढो. मुझे तुम्हारी हिस्ट्री लेसन नहीं देनी है. ये मेरी सिंध है और सबकी सिंध अलग है. तुम्हारी तुम्हारी नानी की, तुम्हारी दादी की, तुम्हारे बच्चों की, उनके बच्चों की, सब अलग होगी क्योंकि हम डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस पे. पर एक बात है कि इसमें बस प्यार ही है और कुछ है ही नहीं. और मैजिक
On Khana, let's
and
talk
the
about
food and my aunt who is the chef. Come here with your Sindhi curry.
Hi everybody. Very happy I have learned the Sindhi curry.
Yes, sweet.
Back picture of you. Do you know her dream was to become a star, and she became a star. Of course, you became a star. Okay.
And you are a movie star now.
Yeah, exactly. And Rajesh Khanna is very special because
Very special to me because of her.
Oh.
I liked him. He sang that song मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तुम? Because when she was born, she was.
I love this. Even in the
She
movie.
still is loved.
Yeah. of
She's
course.
the same.
Correct. She said, very, I love the bias that our family has for her. She said she was the best baby in the whole world.
yeah. But can I just take the mic, please? Because I really don't want to
Should we
talk.
go
मैंने
there?
बहुत बात कर ली है. But Sundar is on a wheelchair over there.
So why don't
He's
I
really
take the
important
mic
to me.
once?
Yeah, can I do that, please, guys? Whatever. I mean, I really appreciate that.
vegetarian crocodile, sir.
सर ये सच्ची बात है. कराची के बाजू में मंगो पीर होता था. वहाँ पिकनिक करने जाते थे बच्चे लोग. तो वहाँ एक टाइम में बचा वो मंगो पीर में नीचे क्रोकोडाइल्स होते थे. तो एक दफा बच्चा गिर गया नीचे. तो बहुत क्रोकोडाइल उसके पीछे लगे, बच्चे के पीछे. लेकिन एक क्रोकोडाइल था वो वेजिटेरियन था. गणेश का यहाँ स्वास्तिक लगा होता था तो वो सबको स्टॉप कर दिया. बच्चे को हाथ नहीं लगाने का है. ये मैंने आंखों से बात देखी है.
Thank you. So special, yeah. Thank you so much.
And Anup was done my sound so good. And Sumer, mera music guy, Sumer.
And that last song that stays with you, Arijit, कहाँ है तू यार? तू बहुत तोड़ दिया यार. कहाँ है तू? शक्ल बता. That's his fabulous voice. So I just wanted to leave you with that song because that song is always such a large celebratory song and we sing it. I just wanted it to be a whisper from my heart. I didn't want any music and I think he just did it perfect. So thank you. Come, Sumer, come, girls.
Bhavna also wants to say
And
something.
Bhavna, okay, this woman, please say.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Bhavna Rajpal. I'm the director of the Sindhi Film Festival in London and Paris. I have watched all the films. I've done a Sindhi PhD, Sindhi cinema. This is the first ever Sindhi film that has reached to so many film festivals. Like, hats off to this woman. It is an absolute honor. Thank you for making this film. Like, joining.
Sabra, quickly, what we're going to do is we're going to ask if anybody has questions. Yeah, would we please
Oh, questions.
pass
Yeah,
your
of course.
mic? Sabra, please come.
Okay.
The team also kindly stay back here. We'll do a
Anila,
photo
please
with
come.
you.
Just
Chinku, I hope you're also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, sure. Yes, please ask a question.
Yeah, I just want to appreciate you for this film. This film really feels like a home. जब वो पहला डायलॉग होता है कि सिंधी बहुत लाउड होते हैं. I feel that at my home.
Give him a mic. Even I don't need a mic. Yeah. I can also shout. I just shout.
I wanted to make sure that this is not a history lesson. जो तुम Google, if you can find it out on Google, it will not be here. I just wanted simple anecdotes of people's lives, like a Jhula story, Sundar ka. I mean, it was very simple, but I just want the young people to understand that you come here, you watch this, it'll spark an interest on you. Maybe you will go back home and you will just ask questions to your grandmother, and maybe the culture will continue. And I have to tell you, a friend of mine, he does online research, he's an analyst. He sent me a snapshot and he told me, Sapna, I just want you to know, since your film came out, there was a peak in Sindh, the type search, and never, he told me, has Sindh been researched so much. Ever.
When we were here, I didn't ever call myself a refugee. I mean, it's not something we call ourselves, but really we are. And I was so naive that I didn't even know that there is a Muslim Sindhi, because I never met a Muslim Sindhi. Imagine, so if I was that naive, how many people like me are out there that did not know that? And our textbooks have not taught us any of this. And in the future, even that little bit that they did is not going to be there. You know? So,
hello. I'm Rohit Gupta. I'm a filmmaker. I'll talk about this film. I'll talk about the filming thing, the filmmaker part. I believe the way you shot, the way you tell the story was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I really loved the way you tell the story. And especially there's a dialogue in which you said to tell the story, be the story. And that was really it, which hit me very hardly. And do you agree that question applicable to all types of filmmaking and telling a story?
yeah. And not just filmmaking in anything in life. You just have to become it. You can't sit and think about it, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a film, whether it's your work, whether you should just consume it, eat it, live it, breathe it. That's it. It's the only way. Yeah, thanks.
Thank God. I love the film.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vandana. I love the film. Brilliant. And what use of colors and what storytelling.
But Sindh is so beautiful.
Yeah.
What can I have done nothing. Look at it. It's such a... We all come from this land. How cool is that? Right?
Yeah. Okay, can I request the singer to sing Jhule Lal and Anila do few steps with that?
Oh! Jinx, come on, Anila, come on. Come on. This is the lovely Anila, who's a Sindhi Kathak dancer, who's so beautiful, so lovely. Really. Sundar and her are a couple, and I really, really love them so much, and I'm so glad you made it. Chinku, यार गा दे सबको रुला दे यार.
सबको गाना पड़ेगा पर.
हाँ सब गाना है. जोर से बिना माइक के.
माइक दे दे वो सबसे लाउड गाएगा. We doesn't need the mic actually. What am I saying?
His voice is very loud.
We will all dance. Don't worry. Come on. चले.
So everyone.
हाँ चलो start तो करो तुम.
She will dance.
Anila will dance.
Yes.
सुर पकड़ने दो. सुर ही तो है सब कुछ.
लाल मेरी पथ.
हाँ ठीक है.
रखियो भला झूले लाल ने सिंदरी दा सेवरदा सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी दरबार कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी दरबार कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर. ओ
इतना ही काफी है. और आप में से सब लोग जो बोलेगा झूले लाल तंजा पेड़ा पार.
I think that's a beautiful way to actually call this to a close. A big hand once again to Sapna and her entire team. And thank you for staying on, watching and appreciating the film. See you at another screening. My name is Rohini Chinku. Thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you, sir. And can I please ask once again, our friends who were in the film, if you were part of making the film, if you were part of an interview, especially our wonderful seniors who were in the film, can I please request you to come?
When is Hindustan 2 coming?
It's coming. पैसा दो यार. Okay. बरखा एक फोटो ले यार. केसी कहाँ है?
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
How did you like it?
I've seen it, but
I know, but the whole
it was
shebang. So you're the colorist, right? Would you like to say something for my vlog?
This film is
No, you
all
also, both of
Sapna.
them.
This film is all Sapna. It's such a hard-hitting subject, and yet to take the decision to just keep it so real because it's real people and their stories. That was entirely her call, and I think that reflects very.
हिन फिल्म खे कलर कयो आहे एंड हिन फिल्म खे एडिट कयो आहे एडिट करण माना फिल्म ठाहिण इज दैट करेक्ट लाइक दैट्स मेकिंग द फिल्म हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद सपना
Definitely, like she's been wanting to do this for so long, and in the end, it's like once watching the film, it is Sapna's experience of sin, which kind of comes across the lens.
without having visited sin.
Yes, correct. And like she said, everyone's sin is different, and this is her sin.
Yeah. Thank you for editing. Thank you for coloring. What a beautiful film, my God. Thank you.
मुंहिंजो नालो करतार आहे तो तव्हांखे कोई बि सिंधी फिल्म ॾिसणी आहे या तव्हांखे लॻे तव्हांखे कुझु बि न ख़बर आहे तव्हांजा मम्मी पापा खे कुझु ख़बर न आहे उहो फिल्म ॾिसो जीअं जल्दी अॼु थिएटर में अचे तॾहिं बि ॾिसो ॾाढी सुठी फिल्म आहे सिंधुस्तान सभिनि खां बेस्ट पिक्चर आहे तव्हां अचो घर मां ॾाढी वणी ईअं लॻे थो घर ते हुयासीं पंहिंजे हर शइ जीअं लॻे थो सभु ख़बर आहे पाण खे सही जीअं अंकल चवंदा आहिनि की एक्सेंट हूंदो आहे न उहो सिंधी वाला और एक और चीज़ है जो पाकिस्तान वाले जेकी पाकिस्तानी सिंधी आहिनि और हिते वारा सिंधी आहिनि उनमें कोई फ़र्क़ु एक्सेंट जो जीअं मां चई सघां थो ॾेॾर जेको हितां जो सिंधी आहे उहो चवंदो ॾेॾर चओ ॾेॾर पक्की सिंधी आहे पक्की सिंधी
No, but डेडर के चवंदो आहे दैट इज नॉट सिंधी
कोई सिंधी आहिनि जेका ॾेॾर चवंदा आहिनि ॾेॾर न चई सघंदा
ओके बट ये सिंधी बट थैंक यू आई एम ग्लैड यू लाइक द फिल्म फॉलो अस ऑन द सिंधी फिल्म
मेरा वो इंटरव्यू मेरे पीआर मार देगी मुझे अभी आ रही हूँ हाँ
Okay, so 2 questions. Yes. What are you wearing? Explain.
अच्छा, what am I wearing? I don't care what I'm wearing here, but what I'm wearing here is the Sindhi topi, which I have kind of inherited and understood the value of it. And the best part is that it's subliminal, but actually only men wear it. But the fact that the women have started to wear it, I don't need to say anything else.
Fab. And Sindhi Muslim men wear it.
Yes. I don't want to divide that Hindu Muslim.
I know, but that's difficult.
हाँ.
Okay, किया लगो now you understand Sindhi, right?
हाँ.
किया लगो first time 5 देशों में फिल्म देखा है.
I'm gone insane यार मतलब जब तक तुम घर नहीं आओ ना तुम्हारी फिल्म बकवास है तुम घर आओ वो ये टेस्ट घर पे ही होता है तुम फॉरेन लैंड जितना जाना है जाओ जितना अवार्ड जीतो जाओ पर घर में जो फील है ना वो यहाँ है तो मैं घर आ गई
But the awards खटिया internationally या फिल्म how does that feel?
अवार्ड हार नहीं गया यार Really, it's not. You should not make films for awards.
No, I know. But what I want to says because of awards it has reached out to people. Because of the film festival, the film has
Yeah.
Festivals,
Yes. Awards no, but festivals yes.
Agree.
Yeah. And अब तो अगर मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं YouTube पे डाल दूंगी.
Yeah, I wanted to ask हमारे मानो पसंद की फिल्म.
अभी हम देखेंगे यार. मैं बैड सिंधी हूँ. मैं एक गुड सिंधी के साथ बात करती हूँ. जो कर लेगा जो करना है.
पैसा भी जमा जिसे वो पड़ेगी.
हाँ.
Thank you. What an honor. सच्ची में thank you. सपना जी फिल्म was fantastic. असांखे पहुंचण में जाम देर थी, but अॼु असां हिस्ट्री ठहंदे ॾिठी, लाइक रियली हिस्ट्री ठहंदे ॾिठी. छाकाणि त एॾो फुल हाउस थियो हाणे एशिया में हिन फिल्म जो प्रीमियर अॼु थियो. हिन खां अलाए घणा इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स हटी आया. हिन अकेली मां आई आहे. एॾनि सालनि ताईं हिन फिल्म लाइ महिनत कई आहे. शी इज़ एन इंस्पिरेशन. मुंहिंजे लाइ न चङनि ॼणनि लाइ. एंड हिकु ॿी छोकिरी आई जेके चईस की और एन इंस्पिरेशन टू मी. एॾनि माण्हुनि अची ॻाल्हायोसि मीडिया इंटरव्यूज़. लाइक दिस इज़ वॉट फिल्म मेकिंग शुड बी. सिंधी फिल्म ठहंदी आहे. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वधीक खां वधीक माण्हुनि ताईं पहुचंदी न आहे. ईअं पब्लिसिटी मार्केटिंग स्क्रीनिंग्स थियणु खपनि. अगरि तव्हां सिंधी फिल्म था ठाहियो त कंहिं हिंदी फिल्म खां घटि न थियणु खपे. हॉलीवुड फिल्म खां कंहिं घटि न थियणु खपे. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. मूंखे अखर कान्हनि. मां पहिरियों ई जाम बीमार हुयमि, जाम गोरियूं वठी करे आई आहियां, बट आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू सपोर्ट सपना जी फिल्म खे. ऐं मूंखे बसि अचिणो हुयो, हुन सां गॾु बीहणो हुयो. मूंखे चयो की भाभी मूंखे सां गॾु पैनल ते हूंदी आहे. लाइक आई एम देयर. पैनल नो पैनल मां अचां थी तव्हां लाइ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड just very very proud. Sapna, you have shown what and how and where a Sindhi film should be shown, how a Sindhi film should be made, what a Sindhi film is. So yeah, thank you from the whole community.